welcome to this high-floor 3-bedroom golf course view, partially furnished 17 units.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Okay, I will see. So everybody, when you first come in here, you will notice there's a living room in front. Okay, this is where you put your sofa, TV, balcony, and there's a fan with the light. Okay, so when you go to the balcony, open this door. All right. Yeah. See, the sun is coming in this way. Right in front of us is north. Yeah. Let's take a look. Down here is Taman Ton, Laundromat, MRT station. There, this is the train coming through. Golf course. That side there is Mount Kiara, and then last, this is KLCC side. Okay. So now let's look at the back. Yeah. All right. So when you look from the back, the sofa is here. Coffee table, TV, 2 horsepower aircon, and then you can put your dining table in the middle here. Yeah. So this is what you call an open concept kitchen. You have a lot of built-in cabinets, and then you have a 2-piece induction cooker. All right. Yeah. Okay. 3-piece. 1, 2, 3 with a small one, and also a ventilation fan, and a double sink. All right. So after that, on the right, you have a yard. Yeah. This owner has already installed a clothes rack. It's chest height, so it's very easy to hang your clothes. Retractable clothes rack. And then this is where you put the washing machine. You have the plug, water in and water out. All right. You put the washing machine here. Yeah. Okay. So now let's go and see the rooms. Yeah. This is the main corridor, and then first thing on the left is a common bathroom. All right. Comes with a shower, a built-in water heater on top. The switch is here. And then you have the sink, big piece of mirror, and also a WC. Yeah. Okay. So the next thing on the right here is your bedroom number 2. Yeah. It comes with a fan, lights, aircon. Yeah. And also a golf course view. Yeah. Okay. So this is where you can put your bed and also your wardrobe. Okay. So the next room we're going to see is the master bedroom. The master bed is on the right side. Yeah, when you come in here like this, you have the long corridor in. So you can put your king or queen size bed this way, facing this side. You can have your makeup table here, or even a TV. Yeah, the plug is here. And then you have a 5-panel window that is facing north. Yeah, so from this is actually the corner of 17 residents already. Yeah. So in front of us there is Tropicana City Mall, Spring Highway. Behind of it is NKVE, and then this is Oval Damansara. Again, Spring Highway, Taman Ton, MRT station, and all the way to KL. Yeah? Okay. So the next thing about this room is that you have 2 full-height built-in wardrobe that has 2 partitions each. You have the lower part for your clothes and the upper part for your luggage bags. Same thing here. Alright. Okay. And then this is the master bathroom. Come in, window for lighting. Yeah, toilet bowl, sink, mirror, shower screen with a shower door, rain shower, and also a piece of extra shelf on the side. Yeah, it comes with a water heater. It's a built-in water heater also. Yeah, so the last thing we're going to see now is the 3rd bedroom. Yeah. Okay, so this 3rd bedroom, the size is probably the smallest among all 3. It comes with 2 windows. Okay, this is facing south, and this is facing west. Yeah, you can see SS2 from here. Yeah, and we're actually quite a high floor, so it's quite a good view. Right? Yeah, and you can put a wardrobe down here also, and a study table down here, and then you can put a single bed, or a queen bed, or even another study table. Alright, so as usual, it has an aircon. Every room in this house have an aircon. Total, there are 4 aircons. So okay guys, that brings an end to the viewing.
Thank you for viewing. If you're interested to rent this unit, then just give me a call. Lisa here from
Okay.
17 residences. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. I see you. Bye bye. Okay, we go first. Bye bye.